Oh, hi, how's it going? You find us here back in Universal Studios. And it's the Day of Presidents. Yeah, something like that.
Happy birthday, George Washington.
And Lincoln. Pretty sure they share the same birthday.
That's true.
I think so.
I think you made that up.
I don't know. We're going to do some Google then to find out. But it appears like it might be busy. So we're gonna go still try and have some fun. Let's go do this. Okay, yeah, so we're still not in, but, you know, had to break up the intro there a little bit, because that's the thing I do. Anyways, plan. See how close we actually follow it. But we're going to studios, which already feels like it may be a mistake, but we're going to do it anyways. And then go and try and get on the Mummy. And then from the Mummy, take the train over to the other park and get on Velocicoaster. And then hopefully we haven't started crying and go from there. Okay, bye. The food booths might be open, but we hit the potty ride. We're gonna go down towards Mummy. I think that has went from a 30 to a 45-minute wait, but unlike...
Hold the fort.
Oh, this is wicked stuff, though. You're gonna get food from Wicked? Anyways. I mean, that sandwich is huge.
I'm getting that.
Yeah. The food does look good. Okay, we're gonna get food. Okay, bye. Well, I did a thing while someone else was doing a thing. I now have a Universal credit card, but that also means we got express passes for today.
Yes, I ate, because that was also necessary.
And Chief ate, so he's happy.
CGI.
But we're still gonna go do Mummy. It's this one. So, Mummy, maybe food. But yeah, we're gonna have a lot more fun today than we probably were otherwise. Yay. Oh, hi. Phone parking here again. We're in, it is 10:50. The standby is saying 65 minutes. Express is going to take us X amount of time. Well, it's been 4 minutes and we're at the merge point. Up here, they are doing a left and right switch, so be aware of that. So both sides are open. I'm gonna possibly choose poorly, but at least we get to see. I'm gonna call him Anubis. I don't know if that's Anubis or not. It's a something bis. Whatever the dog-head creatures are. Okay, 7 minutes. We're about to get on. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
Especially being back to back like that.
Oh yeah, there was a huge difference. So, my trick at Universal still works, I guess. You just seem to be prepared to be told no, which, what's the worst they're going to say is no. But yeah, we got off. We said, can we go again? He said, yeah, just go that way. And we got the back, which, request the back, because that makes the ride more fun. There's more airtime pops, still smooth, still fun, still awesome, still Universal. And we rode the ride twice in 18 minutes. So, yeah, good start. Yes, super fun experience, but I did notice on the way in after I said it, the Hogwarts Express is down for maintenance. So we're already deviating from the plan. I mean, I already deviated from the plan by, you know, getting a credit card and express passes. But we're gonna go over to Islands, probably do Cat in the Hat. Cat in the Hat sound good?
No.
Okay. So we're gonna do Carousel then, and then maybe Velocicoaster and Hagrid's. We'll see. 6-7. In roughly the same amount of time it took us to ride the Mummy twice, we've managed to walk over here to Islands of Adventure, where we are going to head over and do Hagrid's and Velocicoaster in some type of order, which I don't think really matters at the moment because we got express passes. Because I signed my life away to a credit card company. But that's not your problem, that's my problem. I have an issue. I'll go to a support crew eventually. But we're in. We're gonna go do everything in Seuss Landing because it is low-key Dan's favorite land. He dreams about it at night.
Very, very low-key.
They may be nightmares, but he still dreams about them. We're gonna go have fun. I'm gonna have fun. You're gonna have fun. He'll have fun. So let's do this. You find phone parking here again, in line for Hagrid's magical motorbike adventure. Again, try and express this time. Big difference. Last time standby said 135. This time it says 205. So, dang. But I did hear members of cast say that the expectation was under 60 minutes. It's 11:30. As they say, time should tell. Okay, luckily my lack of reading did not come back to bite us in the butt because they work for Hagrid's, which means it should work for Velocicoaster. There's a V in there somewhere. We are here. It took us 7 minutes. It will take us more minutes past that to get on the ride. Must fill in all available space. Oh, hi again. It took us about 20 minutes. So yes, well under the almost an hour wait. We're doing good.
We'll have to round up the troops before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, oh no. Looks like you've lost power.
I'm panicking!
I've got you. Don't worry.
Oh, okay.
Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem.
That was close. Oh, you found my missing strips. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted.
Okay.
Now, hit those purple buttons.
Hit the button!
Dragonfire's got a kick. Well,
It didn't die!
There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum.
Oh, congratulations!
Lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But
Oh,
weird,
they
we
meant
did
that.
see-
Well, chalk that one up to things that I did not think would work today. We wrote it twice. Because I asked. It works? I think the hair did it. Okay. Today's going well. I did not expect that to happen.
Under there.
We got to write it twice. Because I look crazy, I guess. I don't know. That's the only thing I can think of. But yeah, we've done Mummy twice. We've done Hagrid's twice. I don't like my chances for Velocicoaster because, well, you get off the same station that they load. But you never know. We'll find out. Okay. See you over at Velocicoaster. Soon. Really soon. We'll hopefully do this one twice. I do not like my chances on this one. I did try it for Tom on their birthday trip, but it didn't work out. We'll see. We're gonna get to write it once.
Like tennis tournament.
That's all I have to worry about is we get to write it once and be happy. Okay, bye. Okay. In line. 113, 1213. Something with the 13. I'm going to call it 1215 to help me do math later. But 120 minutes for regular. We'll see how long Express takes. 7 minutes later, we're scanned in. We got a little bit ways to go until we hit the lockers, and then from the lockers we merge in with everyone else. I'm guessing they say we probably still have about 10 to 15 more minutes from here. But still, we're still talking about 20-25 minute wait compared to a 2-hour wait. I think it's worth it. Okay. You gotta go away now. It's 12:26. It worked. We did it twice. It's 12:48. We got into the park right around 10. Over at Studios, and from 10:30 to 12:50 we've done Mummy twice, we've done Hagrid twice, and we've done Velocicoaster twice. Now it's time to go over back to Studios and try some Mardi Gras, Mardi Gras, Mardi Gratin. We're gonna go over to Mardi Gras. That was fun. Oh, hey, how's it going, party people? So yeah, we're back in Studios. We're gonna go do the Gras, like we said. I'm not gonna make the mistake and get the Cat 5 punch, but I will get the King Cake hard cider because that was delicious. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna get. Then I need food. I'm gonna try really hard to try something new and not just get the meat on the stick again. But I'm probably just gonna get the meat on a stick again because it's delicious. So we'll see what's next. So I'm hungry. So the first thing I made sure that I got was a beer. That counts as food, right? Well, this one counts as healthy food because it's hard cider. It's the Keel Farm King Cake hard cider. It's delicious. You should try it. Cheers. Well, it is a staple. So I got the King Cake. Don't eat the baby. And beignets to share. We shall see how this is. I'll let you know. Okay, bye. You know, since I did my normal not reading, didn't realize that a king cake is like a spice cake. Kind of tastes carrot cakey to me, but it was really good. The beignets were also good, but they were fresh out of the fryer. You could taste it too. And I had dumped a lot of powdered sugar on it and did a line of it, so I'm feeling really good. I don't know what's next, but you'll probably find out before I do because of editing. Okay, let's go. Oh, that was disappointing. Oh yes, so we're now in the Wizarding World. You missed a little bit because apparently I forgot to hit record. Did end up getting the Ouzo cooler from the Grease Pavilion over there by New York, where the firehouse is. Good in 20s, like the little black licorice candies. That's strangely what this tastes like. I'm unsure if I really like it or not. I like black licorice, but this is a lot in one drink. Also did get the basically chicken scopina, not scopina, that's not a coconut. It was basically a chicken kebab with your yogurt, lettuce, and tomatoes. Those are the red things on it. That was tasty. I enjoyed it. It was, again, everything at the Universal booths are going to be slightly more expensive than what you're be used to paying over at Disney's, but I feel like the serving sizes here are going to be slightly bigger than what you're going to get at Disney's. Take that with what you want. So yeah, we're gonna walk around here for a little bit. People are getting Wizard's Brews and I think hard ciders. We're gonna have to run here to the airport sooner rather than later, so we're definitely getting close to the end. Definitely had fun. The Express passes really helped pay off for today. We basically were able to, well, also asking to ride the rides twice helped too. But we were able to get on and off everything in the same amount of time, actually quicker than it would have had us wait to get on to Hagrid's once. So even though we've really only done 3 rides, it's more than worth it to sign up for the 1 credit card. You never have to use it. But at the same time, if you're coming to Universal a lot, if you budget it correctly and you're only going to spend what you're going to spend, you do get the kickbacks with the 3% cash back from all of your Universal purchases anyways. If you're already going to spend it, try and make it worth it, but don't let the balance sit, because then if they win, don't let them win. So we'll see what we have when we get to next. Now, we were going to run down here and try and get on this, but it's up to 50 minutes. So I don't know if we're going to get on this or not. Yes, I am hearing the shaking of heads. So that would be a negative Ghost Rider. We're going to go do something, like maybe walk to a car. If that is the case, thanks for coming along. We did have a blast. Mardi Gras is fun. Booths are good. Not all the food is good, but you get that at any food festival. Great time. If you're here for 1 day and it's busy, apply for the card and then cancel it. Screw your credit score. But we had fun. Thanks for watching. Watch another one. Might be us in Universal again. Do appreciate it. Catch you later. And as always, folks, remember to stay kind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to exit through the Visa Pass Holder Lounge.